What if I told you that 6 planets are about to line up in the Indian sky and millions of people are calling it rare, powerful, and even dangerous? But here's the real question. Are the planets actually aligning, or we are just seeing an illusion from the Earth? And more importantly, does this even mean anything for us here in India? Let's look up the sky and separate wonder from the myth. In February 2026, skywatchers across India from Delhi to Chennai, from Mumbai to Kolkata will be able to see a planetary parade just after the sunset in the western sky. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and with binoculars, even Uranus and Neptune will appear together along a curved line. It will look like the planets are neatly arranged, almost as if the universe planned a show for us. Social media will call it as a once-in-a-lifetime alignment. WhatsApp forwards may even predict disasters. But let's slow down. The planets are not actually standing in a straight line in the space. They orbit the sun along the same flat path called the ecliptic plane. From Earth, when several of them appear on the same side of the sun at the same time, they look aligned from our perspective. It's not perfect line, it's not a rare cosmic accident, it's pure geometry. Imagine standing on a highway and seeing the cars far away appear in one row. They are not arranged in a line. It just looks that way from where you stand. That's exactly what's happening in the Indian sky. Here's the truth. Small planetary groupings happen every few years. Larger ones are less common but not extremely rare. What makes this special is the visibility. And visibility depends on timings, sunset angles, and the clear skies. In India, February evenings offer relatively stable viewing condition in many regions. That's why this parade is getting attention. But it is not a cosmic warning. It's not a spiritual shift. It is not a gravitational disaster. Scientists have repeatedly confirmed that the planetary alignments do not cause any earthquakes, tsunamis, or climate change. The gravitational pull of these planets on Earth during the alignment is extremely tiny compared to the Moon. The fear comes from misunderstanding. The beauty comes from understanding. So, why does this event excite us every single time? Because it reminds us that we are part of something bigger. In a country of 1.4 billion people, millions will step outside at the same time and look at the same sky. For a few minutes, traffic noise fades, deadlines pauses, and 6 distant worlds silently glow above us. That feeling is powerful, not because the planets are aligned, but because we are. If you are in India, look toward the western horizon about 30 to 60 minutes after the sunset in late February 2026. Find a place away from heavy city lights. Venus and Jupiter will be the brightest. Mercury will sit lower near the horizon. Saturn will be faint. Uranus and Neptune will need binoculars. No fear, no superstition, just curiosity. And if you enjoy content that cuts through noise, explains big events clearly, and turns viral headlines into grounded understanding, please subscribe.